Here. Good for him, he'd done it.
Sorry, little bee.
Beautiful.
This side's a little shy. This side ain't bad. So, looks like this box we can do some frames out of it. So, you want to hold this while I go get another bucket?
We're taking 4 from hive 2. We are now at hive 4, seeing what we get. Looks good on this side.
This side still has a lot of uncapped.
Oh, yeah, never mind.
I either need the hand or the... So on my side it's uncapped. I think this was a... Huh. I think they're trying to do it where we can't pull their honey. My side's good.
Looks good on my side.
Well, that's too high to shake them. So the next one's not capped all the way on my side.
I think we put these in.
I think these was ones that we already took honey from.
Yeah.
Yeah. That next one is capped on my side.
Not enough on my
Not
side.
enough on this side either. Next one's not fully capped.
Nope.
So, I'm gonna grab an undrawn comb. And we need that one over there too.